An air source heat pump produces gentler heat through the home, and this is different to a gas central heating or storage heater system. Don't be surprised when you come to touch the radiators that they're less warm and not as hot as they used to be. This is perfectly normal. We've installed larger radiators to compensate for the gentler heat that the home produces now, and you will notice that it may take a couple of hours for that heat to dissipate throughout your house. To know if your heating is warm enough, don't feel the radiator. Say to yourself, am I warm in my home?